humanity cannot live without crazes. They have to have some kind of craze going on. Why can't everybody just be in peace, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I'll tell you why. I'll give you a universal answer to that we need to discuss in our future workshops in detail. But the universal answer is that Earth is a school for souls. Maybe there are even kindergarten kids here too. I have to look into that, but certainly elementary school for sure. So the majority are in elementary school, some are in grammar school. Yeah, sure, a few graduate into high school or even into college, and a few are teachers. But the majority are somewhere in the elementary school, and they just have to go through all the clashes. Remember your elementary and grammar school, and the ambitions and the clashes and the rivalries and the jealousy and fights, in the schoolyard and blah, 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 everything. I meant to write this book, Earthly School for Souls. Maybe one day I'll write it. Yeah, that's one of the titles that I masterminded a long time ago. Writing it is a different story, but maybe one day. Anyway, that's where we are at, and everybody is learning at their pace.
Right.
Because it's that kind of school. Everybody has their own curriculum.
Yeah.
There are curriculums that are kind of countrywide or area-wide or tribe-wide, or you know what I mean? And the curriculums that are universal too, but there is a lot of individual curriculum going on for everybody, and that's why everybody is at their own stage in development. I mean, we've been just all thrown in here together. It's like, swim! Do your best, in other words. Try not to drown.
That for sure.
Yeah, I should really tell everybody about this, just as a little primer, because people need to know.